My project was building a squat rack. Here were the necessary materials. And here was the saw I used. Next, I did my measurements on my post. One is marked at the 48-inch mark, two of them 51, the other two 53. Here are the three pieces after I cut them. Next, I'm hammering the nails in. I added 3 to each side. The 51-inch and 53 were on the outside, and the 48-inch was in the middle. Now I'm adding the concrete mixture to the bucket, around 50 pounds. Now I'm able to balance my post because of the concrete. I use this level and make sure that it's in the range of those two lines. After adding the concrete to the other bucket, I added water, 1.5 liters in each bucket. Now I'm using this rod to stir the mixture together. And here's how it looked after I was done mixing. Now it's time to let it sit and harden. Now here's the rack, holding the barbell and some weight, a total of 105 pounds. Now it's time to put the squat rack to the final test. Here's me squatting 145 pounds.
Oh my god!